wearing jersey number 16, wearing jersey number 15, and we're eye on 8 and 10. Firenze. Firenze A, wearing jersey number 11, wearing jersey number 12, wearing jersey number 10, and wearing jersey number 9, you are the next candidate of under 19 selection ID. See you in All-Star Game. And of course, our 30 player sets from under 16. Of course, from Germany, Malta, and France. They're all selected. And all Milan, they're all selected. Okay, first fight. Back to the ball game. Yung mga nabanggit po namin mga pangalan, yung mga numero, please stay with us after this championship game. We will give you the letter of congratulations as we set up our group chats. What's up with the parents? We will inform you to set up our preparation for MPDC Manila Live next year, March 2023. And of course, in Netherlands, wearing jersey number 10, wait, you forgot. Ten, 8, 5. And we still on eye in some players. In the next game, we still on eye. 12, we're still on eye. This selection will be playing in national finals and in Manila Live. So, not yet, but we consider it. We will sort it out who will be playing in the national finals and in Manila Live. Okay, first fight. Camera woman. Wala na, hindi mo na tayo. Paging our namatay yung live. Wait lang po, wait lang. Hold on, wait. Committee timeout, wait. Calling our committees, camera woman, scorer. Dali lang, wait lang po. We will set up our scores and things. Resets, times. Nag-break kasi sila, small snacks. Salute. Sa Ilocano, sa Luyot. Well, wait, eto na ang ating mga magagandang dilag.
Cosa avete comprato il caffè?
Kasi,
Lo so.
so, we are excited to see and watch the game.
Fra, cosa che hai schiacciato? Quelli di Tito.
We are an eye on you guys.
Ok.
This will be a tough game. Wait, hold on. We're setting up still. Okay. Are we set? Scores, wait, hold on. Wait. 0-0. Yeah.
Bologna contro?
Firenze.
Va.
Okay.
Sì.
Scores, set up. Scores, 0-0. Wait.
Perché abbiamo anche la cosa digitale.
Our live streaming is still on set. Wait. You can watch this game in YouTube. We will broadcast it there. Okay? Let's ready to rumble. First ball possession. Firenze.
Fra, c'è la telecamera.
7. Mirko. In the middle. Hot and Spice. Loses control. Tosses to 12. 11. In the hands. 11. For 3. Short. Tosses to 11. What a bull movement. Then, 15, 11, shot for 3, short, control, bangs on the board, blue ball. Inside, goes it to 5, to 6, 5, 11, shot on the tank, no rebound by 15, 7. Beautiful, setting it up, penetrates 17, drop, but steal by number 8, is on the run ahead, 2 and 2, goes it to 5, floats, foul being called. Foul on, first team foul, 15. 2 shots. Connects. Second shot. Connects.
Cos'era blu? Bologna.
Here we go, the set. 15, shot for 3. Almost there. 5, give it back. Mirko for 3. Almost there. Battle for rebound, there's a foul being called. Loose ball foul, 10. Both teams. Second team foul. Number 9, number 6. Shot for 3, low. Hangs in the air, no. Pick it up by 6. Give it to 5. 5 penetrates. Nice pass. Fakes. Bangs.
Hindi ko alam po.
Siglo, shot, step back, connects.
3-2.
4-2. 9 minutes and 57. Foul has been called.
Ang 8 color blue.
Oh.
Sapete qual è il nome del numero 8 blu?
Foul. 10. Looking for second charity connects. 11. 7. 15. 7. 15. Drop it to 10. 11. Pass to 5. Block. Block by number. Foul has been called. 9. 9.
Kiel.
10.
Kiel Santos.
Kiel Santos are leading headboards from Firenze.
Ma è del blu.
Bologna.
Fra, è del blu il fallo.
These are former MBTC Manila Live player.
Ma blu non è Bologna?
Stava cercando blu 8, no?
Leading his team in Bologna. Battling by Mirko. Leading his team in NBTC. Former player. Steele. Number 11, shake it up. 5. Banks. Big rebound. Loses control. Minutes. Swing it to 5. Shake it to 11. Drop. Your step. Big. Loses control. Number 11 is on the air. Almost. Number 5. Step. Drop it to 8. Shot by Santos. Bangs! 8-3. 5-point deficit by Bologna. Side. 5. 50. Shots. Bangs! 2 points. Cut it out into 1. 5, 8. Is that correct? Inside. Blocked by number 5. Five.
Oh, già 4.
Six for 3. No. Mamadali. Bumababa. Virgo inside, drives, drop it to 10, penetrates. Whoopsie doos! Floating in the air by number 10. Five. 10. 5 to 9. Shaking heads. 7. Nagmamadali. Nakita sa 15. 15 tumira. And the 14. Dope. Big rebound. Number 11. Inside. Floats. Looks. Floats. Nope. Short. Big rebound by Santos. Kel. Block by number 10. Toss it out to 5. Guard by 15. For 3. Hesitate. Drop at 2. But still by number 11. 10 on the run, slices in the middle, bangs! 8, 9, change favor. Firenze leading by 1 point with 7 minutes remaining in this first quarter. 6 straight, 5. 14 to the 17th, rebound. Between 9 and 10, number 15 is on the run. Give it to 7. 15. Shots. Fade away. 11 inside. Slices. Eurostep. Bang. 2. Bottom for rebound and foul be called. Six. 2 shots. Substitution. and 23 seconds. 11-8. 3 points deficit by Perez. A line ball violation. To 11. Banks in and out. Blocked by number 8. Michael Santos. Running. Double team by 5 and 11. Slugging for Butler, Butler in the ground. Jump ball. Substitution.
Hai preso tu la palla? La mia pappa che la fa. C'era Tito?
4 to 11. 4. Blocked by 5. 10. He's on the run. Throws it to Mirko. Our head. Yes, connects.
La musica dietro mi fa morire.
11 to 4. 5 to 9. Swing it. 1 to 1 to 11. In the side. Looking for 5. 4 to 5. Floats. Wow. Connects. Big float. 13-11. Cut into 2. Deficit by Perez. 4 and 52 for 3 by 8. No. Foul. Pushing foul.
Ma non è penalty? Era bonus.
Wait, time out.
No, era bonus.
Bonus. Penalty. Sorry.
Allora era giusto.
13-10. 3
Vai tra, vai
points
tra.
ahead by Firenze. Cut it off into 2.
Era giusto ora.
Firenze is in penalty situation. 13-12. 1 point lead by Firenze.
O perché
Mirko,
sta è diventato
slice, no? Cut it by 10, but there's a foul being called. Penalty. Penalty.
Firenze.
That's correct.
No, era sbagliato, era 10.
Four 34. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. We're entering in the semifinals after this ball game.
Era Bologna.
9. Looking straight. Charity.
Ok.
Connect. Seven to 8. Goes it to 5. Inside. Foul is being called. Baseline foul. 8. Blocking foul. Baseline inbound. Out of bounds. Almost steal. 5. 8. 11. Back to 10. Foul. No count. Charging foul. Foul by number 10.
Ha fatto qualcosa? Oh no. Sorry po. Così tanti?
Violation, substitution.
To, bebe. Oh, trash talk. Trash talk, trash talk.
Mangiamoceli. Andiamo.
Inside. 9 to 8 to 9. Jump on the 15. No, short. Pick it up by 12. Give it to 11. 11 side. Beautiful step. Drop it to 9. Beautiful. Connection. 15-13. Scenario has been changed. With 2 points deficit now with Bologna. Still by number 5. Out of bounds. Sideline inbound. 3 minutes and 27 seconds. 7. Mirko. 8. Swing it. 5. Drop. Penetrates. Jumper. No. Big rebound by number 11. Inside. Using his body with a foul call. And one. Foul with number 9. Ocho. Sorry. 14 foul.
Ha detto fallo verticale.
14 foul.
Fallo
Warning.
verticale.
Ilan ang foul niya?
Number?
Second team foul.
Second post.
Yeah, second foul. Second personal foul. 14 foul. Number 11. Back to 5, to 4, to 9. Swing it. Check it. On the side. Banks has a foul before. Foul.
Numero?
9. Pushing.
9 bianco.
2 shots. Tonight, looking at his first charity. Banks. Connect. 16 all. Our first deadlock in this voting.
Oh, che belle quelle scarpe. Sono rose.
Tying in 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Wayne added first bucket 17-16. A 1-point lead by Bologna. Shake it, but tap it by 9. Blue ball.
Come blu?
5 to 9
Damn.
to 11 to 4 to 9 to 9. There's a foul. 9 foul also. White. Penalty.
Mi faccio domande.
Non messo? No.
Heading in 2 points by Bologna. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Connects. 3 deficit by Bologna. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Shake by 8. Given to 9. Carried out. Penetrates. Jump. Bang! Carried out into 1-point lead by Bologna. 18-19, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Setting up by 9, shaken 2 ball, 11 penetrates inside, almost close, gold. 5 foul. Penalty.
Ella, Ali.
Nope. Mag-aaral lang kaya kanilang alanganan. 18-19. Bologna leading by 1 point. Second throw. Connects. Doubling the lead. 2 minutes as we enter in 2 minutes and 5 seconds left. 11. Double team by 8 and 5. Foul called. 2 shots being given. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Foul on number
Cambio.
5. Change. Substitution. Bangs cutting it to 1. Lead 19-20. For tie, Bangs second deadlock. Tabla na po ang ating laban. With entering with 1 minute and 57 seconds. For 3, back to 5, back to 6, shaking, trying, inside, rolls, swing it to 11, penetrates, upload, no, battle between 9 and 5 inside, there's a foul being called. Foul. Eleven, holding foul, 2 shots.
Siamo al penultimo.
Tabla ang ating laban. Short. Pangalawang tira. Wala. Set it up. Let's see if they gonna leave this. Last 1 minute and 30. Close. Bench. Almost loses control. Give it to 11. Shake it to 6. For 3. Bench. 6 rebounds.
Sono io.
Leading with 3 points. In the first quarter, Bench. Foul code.
Oh, ma come è saltato alto.
9. Reaching foul. Bonus. First. No. Second throw. No. Pick it up by 5. For 3. For shot for 3. No. Rebound by 6. Again, 7 inside. Drop it to 11. No. 5. Big inside. Cut it into 1. With 1 minute as center. In this 1 minute, 53 seconds left. Bologna leading by 1 point. 5. 6 to 6. Shake it up inside. Roll over. There's a foul call. Penalty.
Number 9.
Number 9.
È 8.
How many foul? 9.
8.
8, sorry. Banks added 2 deficit. 43 seconds with 2 points lead by Bologna. Shaking into 3. 3 points lead by Bologna with 43 seconds. 40 seconds. 37 seconds. 35. 38. 11 for 17. No. Big rebound by 3. Reset by shot clock. 19. Close. Block by 8. Big rebound by 11. Figure it out. Yes. 17 2. 3 points lead. Front point lead. 15, 14, 13, 11, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release the floor at 2 seconds, point 5. Bologna ball, leading with 1 point with 2.5 seconds. 2, 1, 0, no foul. Ang ganda ng laban, palitan, sagutan. Ayan, 24 and 25.
Rowdy Pinoy Ingan.
Reset or clock for a second quarter. As we entering in the second game of the semi-final game.
Enrico. Ito caffè, no?
Time check. 2 o'clock. Yung hindi pa po naman ng halian at di pa kumakain. Meron po tayong dito sa labas. Libre lang ako. May bayad, of course. May barbecue doon. Lumpia. Ito, napakagandang laban. Who will be the undefeated in this game? May tanong na kayo? Wala, undefeated. This team are both undefeated.
Damn!
Wala pa silang talo. Parehas na walang talo. Okay, back to the ball game.
Ma è da buttare, vero?
Bro! Oh, ho dimenticato di mangiare il panino! No way. Chiedi a Cap se c'è coso, un palameg dall'altra parte.
Chi vuole ciò?
C'è palameg, non so. C'è palameg settindata.
Ma da
So
pagare.
me lo so. Ce l'ha la bianca. Parola? Ah, serio? Minchia. Ah, cazzo.
Sbaglia il cane.
Dove? Oh no.
E chi? Un suo ex.
Ah. Vabbè, non mi interessa. È diventato un barbone.
Perché dove cazzo lo vedi?
È uscito.
Dove cazzo lo vedi?
È uscito.
Sta girando.
Era una tripla? Era una tripla? Era una tripla?
24.
Da due.
Chi è che sembra un barbone, scusa?
Carl.
Dov'è?
No, ti ho detto che è uscito.
Ah. Non sento.
Sorda. technical vale come fallo.
2 falli.
Ah, minchia. Devi chiedere a referee.
Non so, perché l'ha trasformato in faccia, non lo so.
L'ha fatto.
Ready con una domanda dopo.
Cos'è che ha fatto?
Gli ha bloccato la visuale mentre stava con... Non... Perché
Ah.
sul regolamento c'è scritto che non si può bloccare la visuale del campo.
Sì, è uscito, è uscito.
Jason, con calma, con calma.
Vabbè, un
Hey,
avvocato.
ang ganda ng laban, 26-29, tatlong lamang ng Bologna. Inaalagaan, Mirko for 3, go! Pick it up by 9, set it up. Number 11 inside, jumps, go! Number 5, this on the run. Nag-isa, umatake, laban sa apat. 6,
Quello lì in alto schifo.
shake it, give it to 6. Give it to 5.
Cazzo è? Si è fatto allungare i capelli.
9, inside. Oops, may foul na tatawagin. Number 11. After this game, semifinals between Malta and Firenze under 16. And next game, Malta and L versus Brescia U19. Semifinal. Both teams are in semifinal. We will cut that time into 10 minutes only because wala na pa, maubusan na po tayo ng oras. Foul.
Ne ha 4, giusto?
Eight.
Cambio.
Cambio.
Change. Substitution.
Ah, mi fa male la schiena.
Ah, ok, la canzone. Hai contato il fallo tecnico.
Back to the ball game. Come on, we're running out of time. Let's go.
Ma quando segni il fallo tecnico
Non si segna là.
non si segna? Ah.
Let's roll on.
Se ci soffia sopra va via. Per questo soffio.
Inside, jump by 8. Look, pick it up by number 7. Give it to Ant. 7 floats, bang, don't. Rebound by 8, big rebound. Foul has been called. 5,
5 blu.
second team foul. 2 shots.
Ah, ma qui
No?
indica,
Okay.
indica la
Side
squadra
inbound.
che ha il fallo. Sì, prima di fare il numero fa così o così.
Foul has been called. 6 foul.
Vedi che lo indica. Ora ho capito. Quanti falli al 6?
Dito.
Number 6. Cutting the 2 points lead by Bologna. Inaalagaan ang kanilang kalambangan. Number 5. Inside. Back to 4. Back to 5. Shake it. Flow to 6. Back to 5. 10. 7-second shot clock. 8. 5, 4. Go. A unit set. foul. Blocking, charging foul, offensive. 9 minutes and 17. 4-point lead by Bologna.
Perché c'era il coach dell'altra squadra che diceva che
Technical foul. Decision has been made. Let's continue. Wala na po tayong oras. We need to... Oh, referee always right po. This ano natin.
Okay, announcement. Bawat teams po ang nakatayo lang, coach. Coach lang po ang nakatayo. Lahat po, upo po. Lahat ng mga hindi players doon po. Pakiside lang po, lahat ng players. Pakiclear lang, pakiclear.
Players, alis kayo dyan.
Ang hindi players. Layo, layo. Doon kayo sa kabilang side. Lahat ng players, lahat ng hindi naglalaro. Doon. Isa lang ang nakatayo.
Kuya! Kuya Nico! Kuya Nico! Kuya! Kuya Nico!
Okay, let's go back to the ball game. Okay, let's go. Let's go then. Let's focus on the game. Let's focus on the game. Let's go. Yes. Here. Ref, look at me. Let's focus on the game, ref. Look at me. Let's continue. Yes. Let's focus on the game. Floats. No.
Minchia, Joyce con un mazzo di fiori.
Inside. Turns.
Dov'è? Joyce con un mazzo di
Thanks. Turn. Cutting the three. Deficit by Bologna. Seconds shot clock. On the steal. 10 seconds shot clock. Floats. No. Foul has been called. Good sportsmanship.
Quale 5?
5 bianco.
Both teams, 30 fouls, both. Side inbound. 8 minutes and 32. No? Both teams are 13 fouls.
Te lo sto dicendo.
Sideline inbound.
Cambio. Sab.
Ready, change, substitution.
Era fallo blu.
After this game, Malta
Blu sta
against
tirando gli
Lorenzen.
occhi. Fallo blu sta tirando
Under
gli occhi.
16, semifinals. 5, step, C by 15, swing it to 3.
Minchia.
Raise of the head in the sky, out of bounds. Maaalagaan kaya ng Bologna ng 3 puntos na kalamanan.
Che casino.
19 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Bangs for 3. Out of the 3, 6 points deficit by Bologna. With 7 minutes and 56 seconds. Walang kukurap. Mainit na mainit. Hawak sa mga upuan. Migo, umakatake. Blocks, stop. Pick up and bag. Inside. No goal violation. Ang talas ng mga nilap. 20 seconds shot clock.
Sai cosa stavo per fare quando ti ho dato il technical? C'era
15 seconds shot clock.
time out. Stavo
10 seconds shot clock.
per alzare la musica. Ora.
Out of bounds. Time out, Firenze.
È già al massimo.
Six-point lead by Bologna with 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Both teams are done. 13 fouls. Ang ganda ng laban. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Firenze dyan. Gagawa ng paraan. But let's see how Bologna will defend 6-point lead. Patising. Let's go back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Coach, focus on us. Don't focus on them. Okay, we are watching them. Time check.
Aiuto.
Turns. 15 seconds shot clock. Jumps. Left. Pick it up by 11. Using the left. Left. Shots. Rebound by 6. Wow, pick it up by 11. Targets. Sabi na into 4. Apat na po ang inahabol ng Firenze. 4. Give it to 11. Carry back set 9. 11. 9. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 10. Shoot! 5, umatake, numero 5. Sa gilid, binigay yung 7. Bring it long. Bang! 72. Time out. 32. Time out, Bologna. Dalawa na lang ang kailangan. Walang kukurap.
Dito pala may.
Kanya-kanya hawak. Ayun po, mainit ang laban.
Ah.
34 and 36. Dalawa ang kalamangan ng Bologna. Mainit ang laban. Ang galing ng mga player. You know, ibang klase ang level of basketball here in Italy. Dito ka lang makakapanood. Yan. Ang bahay ng mga batang PBA. Ito na nga, cutting to the side. Alone! Yes! Dinagdagan pa. 38-34. Apat na ang kalamangan. Swing it to 11. Tupsi-tups. Swing it to 5. To 15. Inside. Fakes. Shake it inside. Cut it 9. Give it to Mayan. On Nico. Umatake. Iniwan. Drop. Floats. Go. Connected. Pick it up by 5. Reset. Shot clock. 7. 20 seconds shot clock.
Ora no.
Inside. Holding code. And one.
In.
39. 40, 34. Anim na po ang kalamangan. Madadagdagan kaya?
Alcol troppo fast.
5 minutes and 34.
You gotta fat ass.
Mi abbraccio.
Anim ang lamangan. Dadagdagan kaya? No. Big rebound by number 11. Number 7. To 15. To 9. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Set it up into 3. Ayan, tatlo na lang. 37-40. Entering in 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Mainit na mainit. Ayan po.
Va bene?
Checks. Foul has been called.
Oggi la telecamera.
Holding foul. 14 foul. Both teams. Both teams, 14 foul. Wait, let's see, let's check. Penalty.
No? Sì, bra. Ma anche quello lì della Francia, il Big Mama. Ecco, guarda il Big Mama. Quello rosso.
Ayun.
Big Mama. Big Mama.
Madadagdagan. Dadagdagan isa. 4 na. Madadagdagan pa kaya isa pa. Walang kuurap. Walang hihinga. Sinyal ka na pa. Naging 5 minutes. Nine. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Hip scoops inside. Big lead number 9. Nagmamadali. Sumalagsak. Number 7. Goes to 5. Kick it up to 6. 10 to 3. No shot. Kick it out.
Ansia.
11. Cut it to 2. 19 seconds shot clock. Take it out inside. Shakes. Drop it to 8. Santos inside. No. Loses control. 7 nagmamadali. 7. Umatake. May pangadatawan sa left. 5. Holding foul. 14 foul. Sideline.
Aiuto.
20 seconds shot clock. 4 minutes left. For 3. No. Pick it up by 9. Inside. Number 7. Tingnan. Close. No. Big rebound between 11. Same ball. Baseline rebound.
Stanno uccidendo.
Shot clock reset.
Cos'è che c'è? Ho ancora fare da Sammy.
Non lo so, mi sa.
Shot clock reset into 14.
Entrare.
Sono io che...
Turnover. Backdoor violation. 37-42. With 5-point lead by Bologna. With 3 minutes and 52 seconds in this
Dove l'avete preso?
ball game. Ingat po sa mga palamig. Baka matapon sa computer.
Dove l'avete preso? Ma che fai bere? Cindahan?
Number 5, bumababa. Umatake. To number 9. Ginamit ang oras. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, umatake. 6, may palagkag. Offensive foul. By number 9. 14 fouls. 14 fouls. Both teams are in penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Wait. Bakit taas ng dalawang flag? Okay, let's go. 8, 7, inside. Pick it up by 9. Matake. Oh, nabitawan ng bola. Double. 3 minutes and 25. Magagawa pa kaya ng paraan? Kailangan. Makakabawi kaya ang Perez. 3 minutes. 18. Foul, rebound. Holding foul. 2 shots. Shot clock. Reset to 14.
Quello là?
Quello che sta tirando. Anche te ti ricordano quello. Hai capito? Quell'attore là.
Wala.
Sì, hai capito?
Dadagdagan kaya?
Io mi
Cosa
chiedo
volevo
se...
dire?
Walang pumura. Wala. Rebound.
Bologna è
Umatake. 7. Setting it up to number 8. Naghahanap. 15 seconds shot clock.
Cosa fai nel cambio?
Inside. 10 seconds shot clock. Steal. Set. 9. 5 seconds shot clock. 4. 3. 2. 1. Turnover. A steal. Nagmamadali. Pasok. Dadagdagan.
Time out, time out!
7-point lead by Bologna. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. 2 minutes and less. Wala. Big rebound by number 9.
Perché lo
10
chiamano
seconds shot
tardi?
clock. 9,
Lo chiamano
8,
tardissimo per un time
7,
out.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, shot, base, violation, 24, reset. Sabi ko 7, umatake. 5, inside. Cut, by 10, wala. 5, 6, 5, pinababa ang bola. Nakita, libre-libre, mag-isa. Walang bantay. Tama! Pinose! Ayaw po, lumobo, kanyang kalabangan.
Perché sono aumentati?
Lumobo sa siyam na puntos in 1 minute and 57 seconds. Makakabawi kaya ang Pinose.
Sarà pure la stambulas che se ne fai le
Back to the ball game.
La mia borsa è là. Puoi prendermela.
Makakaabol na ang Pinose. Maalagaan ka ng Bologna, kanilang kalabangan. Ito natin, sa naiiwang 1 minuto at pito, 57 seconds.
Penso io che... Metti anche un po' d'acqua. No. Dov'è la tua borsa?
A fianco alla sedia blu, dove eravamo prima.
Sideline inbound.
Tutta la borsa me la rubano.
Ma va!
Lamang ng linsyan na puntos.
Dai, dai.
Pumasok. Toss it outside. Slide it inside. Shot, number 9. Give it inside. On the steal. Hassan by 5. 10. Foul. Tatawagan. Number 6. Foul. Penalty.
Come nella... Non è quella la tua borsa? Quella che ho
Unang
portato
tira.
Marche.
Cadito to 8. Balo na lang.
Just give me
Tignan
a
natin. Isa pa. Pito na lang. Substitution. Let's go. Let's go. Kylie, pakibilisan. Pakibilisan. 15-second shot clock. 10. May pang na tatawagin. 2 shots.
11 bianco.
7 ang kalamangan. Madadagdagan kaya yung 7? Lucky 7.
Siamo sentito. Come che si dice?
No. Stay 7 points lead by Bologna.
Devo rotolare.
Shot. No. Big rebound. Number 11.
Ah, la schiena.
Inside. Nagmamadali. 7. Penetrates. Pumps. Bang. Go. Big rebound by number inside. Nets. 30 to 5. 5 points. 19-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock.
No, è blu. È blu.
Change. Substitution. Substitution. 54 seconds. Substitution.
Ma da quanto?
54 seconds left. Fifty-four. 3. Bang! Second to 11.
2.
Apat na po. Tatlo na lang. Nasa 43 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 36. 25. Inside. Up. Traveling. Wait. Traveling. Wait.
Perché decide lui?
Nessuno in possesso della palla.
Decide l'arbitro.
Non parla italiano.
Ano yung nakahawak sa bola? Likod at traveling. No, holding the ball. Okay. Ball.
Jambol.
Bologna ball. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Wait, 31 and time. Time.
Ma deve prima prendere
10
la palla.
seconds shot clock. 27. 5 seconds shot clock. 4, 3, 2, time. 15, 25, time. Stop. Continue. 13. Fakes. Sweeps. No. Rebound. 7. Count it up. 5 seconds. 1 feet. 5. Foul. Foul was to be called. 12 seconds. Penalty. Isa lang po ang kalamangan. Holding. 2 shots. 45-46. Lamang ng isa ang Bologna.
Tito dopo di fare 10 nella... Cosa 10?
Deficit into 2. Mainit ang laban.
Anti-time out tayo.
May timeout na ba sila? Both teams, wala nang timeout. Wala na pong timeout. Wala nang timeout. Mga Pagpina, shot, count. 3, 2, 1, try. Hey, no more. Wala na pong oras. Bologna win with 2 points lead deficit between Firenze. Who will be player of the game rather than sino ang best player of the game.
Joyce, Joyce.
Yeah? I let yeah.
Sino kaya ang best player of the game of Malanya? Monsana, number 9, you will be the best player of the game. You have made a tremendous work at this team. Dominates a lot in rebounds and points, of course. We would like to congratulate you with this beautiful certificate from the Pinoy Cup. Bro, come here. You know, everybody is on IMU and the MPTC, of course, with this election. Una pa man, nakuha ka na. Right? Pero ano pang magagawa mo sa pagpasok niyo sa semifinals para ma-maintain niyo yung momentum ng team?
Come si fa?
Basta che dobbiamo giocare adesso, giocare di squadra e niente, divertirci.
Okay, congratulations, bro! You're the best player of the game! Ayan po, napakagaling. Dominate sa lahat, rebounding, bouncing points. Salamat. Congratulations. Next game, under 16, let's go! 2 minutes warm up. First five. Ten minutes only. 10 minutes. Let's go. First five of Firenze. First five of Manta. Eto na. Yung kanina naglaban, semifinal. Apat. Yes, 10 minutes game. With this game. Let's go. First five. First five of Malta. First five of Firenze. Let's go, boys. Semifinals. Dito, Ever.
No, lasciali.
Dito, ano ba?